Isa kang bituin sa aking paningin, nagniningning, nagsisilbing tanglaw sa gabi na madilim. Nagpipigay liwanag, puso ko sa'yo'y panatag. Ikaw ang aking gabay sa tuwing ako'y maglalakbay. Lumbay ay napapawi, lungkot ko ay nahahawi. Buhay ko'y bigla nagbago, mundo ko'y kinising mo. Ikaw ang kasagutan sa aking bawat dasal, ang tanging dahilan kaya ako'y natutong magmahal. Tila ba isang awit na may kakaibang himig sa aking pagtinig, nagpipigay kilig. Puso ko'y kinilabit na marinig itong awit. Sana tadhana sa'kin, huwag ka nang ipagkait. Para bang nasa ulap pag ika'y aking kayakap, walang kasing saya sa tuwing ika'y aking kasama. Nagbibigay kahulugan sa buhay kung walang kulay at wala na ring halaga.
Hey babe, I always wanted to tell you that I have so much love for you. And even if I had to tell you every day, I would love to do that for you. That is true. And not only that, you know what? I'm so thankful and feel so grateful, 'cause you always makes me smile. And even if I die, the love that I have for you will never gonna die, and I will never gonna lie.
Alright, yeah.
Well, won't you drop your pride enough with the fight? I'll be waiting outside to see you tonight. Let's go for a drive in this beautiful night. I'll take you for a ride till the sun shines bright. You know how I do it, girl, I make you my world. Give you everything, I'll show it to you with the words. I'm not one of those guys who doesn't know your worth, 'cause when you're with me, never again you'll get hurt. So come on ma, stop with the drama. I got your new purse, don't say Gabbana.
Nagsimula ating relasyon ng walang maling desisyon, at ang aking atensyon ay sa'yo lamang nakabaling. Buhay ko'y binago mo magmula nang ika'y dumating sa aking piling. Babaeng bumighani sa lalaking malageto ang dating. At kahit ganto lang ako, wag mo sanang isipin na ako ay nagloloko. Di ko kayang magloko sa isang katulad mo, dahil ako ay umiibig sa iyo ng totoo. Ikaw lang ang babae na aking mamahalin, ikaw lang ang babae na aking pangingitiin. Makinig ka sa mensahe na aking sasabihin, mahal kita at ayaw kong mawalay ka pa sa aking tanging. Ikaw lang maging, ikaw lang natatanaw ng mga mata ko sa tuwina. Pagmamahalan ko'y walang makakapula, mamahalin kita hanggang sa tayo ay magkaapo na.
Hey babe, I always wanted to tell you that I have so much love for you. And even if I had to tell you every day, I would love to do that for you. That is true. And not only that, you know what? I'm so thankful and feel so grateful, 'cause you always makes me smile.